Okay, for the R value, which is also called the correlation coefficient, we can interpret that a few different ways. So what we want to remember is that R can only be between 1 and -1. So if you have any R value that's greater than that, something is not right. What we want to do when we interpret R is we're looking at the, just kidding, we're looking at the direction and we're looking at the strength. So R will always tell us those two numbers. So there's a lot of examples up here of different R values. So the ends here, this would be strong and positive. So this is a perfect correlation. This would be a perfectly negative correlation down here. So this would be negative. This would be strong and negative. And then when we have no relationship, that's the middle. So this is R. This is nothing going on. There's no great correlation to anything there, just random points. And then as we move basically in either direction, we're kind of, this is the weak end. So these points are really far apart. So this would be weak negative. This would be weak positive. And then the closer we get to 1, the stronger the relationship gets. So this is like moderately strong and positive. This is moderately strong and negative. And so anything kind of in between here, as long as you throw the word fairly or moderately and then fill in the blank of strong or weak, you're generally okay. So you can kind of use these cutoffs if you need a few more like designated spots of when to decide if something's strong or weak. The other way to get R is to look at your computer output. So you're always given this. RSQ is R squared. So R squared here is 35%. So if I wanted to find R, I would want to convert this to decimal form, so 0.35. And then R equals, to undo the square root of 0.35. And I could throw that on a calculator and get a number, and that would be R.